In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find synthetic indices like VIX 75 in Tradingview. First, open your web browser and head to tradingview.com. You can start from the homepage or any chart page, both are fine. The goal is simply to get into a chart where you can access the full toolset. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a symbol area or watch list. Click any symbol there to load a quick chart. It doesn't matter which one you pick at this stage, we're just using it as a doorway into the full charting interface. Once the chart opens, look for the option labeled Full Chart and click it. This switches you into TradingView's Advanced Chart, where you get the main toolbar, drawing tools, and access to the indicator library. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the top bar with menus like time frame, indicators, and more. Now focus on the top left area and click the Indicators button. That opens the Indicators, Metrics and Strategies window. This is where TradingView keeps built-in tools as well as community scripts. In the search field, type the word synthetic. This narrows the list to anything related to synthetic measures or synthetic index tools that can help you approximate or study instruments similar to volatility indices. Look through the results and click the entry labeled synthetic. When you select it, TradingView will apply the indicator to your current chart. Depending on the specific script, you might see it appear as a line on your price chart or in a separate pane below the price. From here, you can analyze how the synthetic data behaves, compare it to price action, and explore whether it mirrors the kind of movement you expect from indices like VIX 75. A quick note for context, many synthetic or volatility style indices are not official exchange listed symbols inside TradingView. What you're adding here is an indicator that reconstructs or approximates a behavior pattern often created by the community. Treat it as an analytical tool rather than a direct tradable ticker. It's a good idea to read the indicator's description and check its settings so you understand what inputs it uses and how it calculates the line you're seeing. That's all there is to it. Go to TradingView, open a chart, switch to full chart, click indicators, type synthetic, and select the synthetic option. Use it to study volatility style movements, experiment with timeframes, and integrate it into your broader analysis workflow.